Anyone that has made hard-cooked or hard-boiled eggs knows that the most frustrating part of that process is peeling them. And then don't even get me started on the green or gray overcooked yolks. Maybe you've tried peeling them under running water or submerged in a bowl of water, only to find that the egg white has totally fused to the shell. Well, this recipe not only gives you perfectly cooked eggs, but they are also super easy to peel. Bring 1 inch of water to a rolling boil in a medium saucepan over high heat. Now place 6 large eggs in a steamer basket, and be sure to use large eggs that have no cracks and are cold right from the refrigerator. And if you don't have a steamer basket, just use a spoon or some tongs to gently place those eggs in the water. Now transfer the basket to the saucepan, and it doesn't matter if the eggs are above the water or partially submerged. Cover, reduce the heat to medium, and you'll see some small wisps of steam. They should escape from beneath the lid. And now cook the eggs for 13 minutes. If you start the eggs in hot water instead of cold, the whites will set and they won't fuse to the shell. When the eggs are almost finished cooking, go ahead and combine 2 cups of ice cubes and 2 cups of cold water in a medium bowl. And using some tongs or a spoon, transfer the eggs to the ice bath and let them sit for 15 minutes. There's no need to peel the eggs right away. They can be stored in their shells and peeled when needed. And you can use this method for fewer than 6 eggs without altering the timing. You can also double this recipe as long as you use a pot and steamer basket large enough to hold those eggs in a single layer. If you want more quick tips or weeknight-friendly recipes, check out my series, Today's Special, on America's Test Kitchen's YouTube channel.